Hi, and welcome to Section 9, Orchestrating Application Deployment. In this section, we will be learning how to create build jobs for end-to-end automation. We will also learn about configuring SSH authentication using a key. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with creating build jobs for end-to-end automation. In this video, we're going to take a look at the basic steps to create build jobs for end-to-end automation. Creating build jobs for end-to-end automation. Before we configure end-to-end automation for build job execution, let's understand it graphically. We will configure it using upstream and downstream job configuration in the case of build pipeline plugin, while in the case of the Jenkins 2.0 pipeline, we will use a script. Configuration management depends on the environment we use for deployment. We have covered some deployment environments in this video course. Pet Clinic Spring Application Deployment on a Tomcat server. Pet Clinic Spring Application Deployment on a Tomcat server on Amazon EC2 IaaS. Pet Clinic Spring Application Deployment on a Tomcat server on a Microsoft Azure Virtual Machine IaaS. Pet Clinic Spring Application Deployment on a Tomcat server in a Docker image container. Pet Clinic Spring Application Deployment on a Tomcat server on Amazon Elastic Beanstalk PaaS. Pet Clinic Spring Application Deployment on a Tomcat server in Microsoft Azure Web Apps PaaS. Based on the deployment environment, we need configuration management. In IaaS, we need to install a runtime environment, while in the case of PaaS and Docker containers, we only need minor modifications of the addition of a file or similar types of smaller changes. Considering the deployment environment, we need to introduce build jobs for end-to-end automation. In the case of the Pet Clinic Spring Application Deployment on a Tomcat server on Amazon EC2 IaaS, we need this flow. Let's try to implement previous steps in Jenkins to achieve end-to-end automation that includes the previously mentioned steps. Let's visit the Jenkins dashboard. Click on Manage Jenkins. We can see that a new version of Jenkins is available. Click on or upgrade automatically to update the application. It will start installing jenkins.war. Once installation is successful, restart Jenkins from the terminal. Here we have come to the end of this video. We've understood how to create built-in jobs for end-to-end automation.